can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love this.
Hi my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another video with you, and this time I'm making over my entryway for Christmas. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I didn't share my entryway with you in my Christmas home tour because I knew that I wanted to do this before I shared it. Here is my current entryway, and as much as I loved it, I wanted to bring in my gold mirror once again.
Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry.
Now, after removing the hall table, I bought in this gorgeous French provincial round table, which is from 1825 Interiors. Now, my inspiration for this video, guys, was a picture that I'd seen on Pinterest where they had done a gallery wall around the outside of a mirror, and I really loved that and wanted to give it a try. So I shopped my own home for some pretty frames and decor that I had, and I'm using decor to decorate the space for Christmas.
Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me.
Now, on either side of my table, I bought in my boucle chairs. They are one of my favourite items in my home, guys, and these are from Kmart a few years ago. I also added a new addition, which is these beautiful bow cushion covers that I picked up from Temu. I then bought in my beautiful lamp. Now this lamp, guys, is from Provincial Home Living here in Australia. It's another one of my favourite stores, and I just love how it cozies up the space of my entryway.
I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday.
Now I started to add those pretty frames either side of my gold mirror, and I absolutely love how this came.
It's a magic holiday. The rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. The fire is burning bright, and the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your
Guys, one of my favourite pastimes is changing up a space in my home. It's actually a joke between me and my hubby. When he comes home from work each day, he always says, "So what did you change today, Michelle?" And I'm always excited to show him. He is so supportive, guys, and loves what I do. And I love his feedback, and I really love yours as well. Let me know in the comments what you think of this space. I love that it is a very French provincial glam feel about it, and I love that it has the sparkly glam touches that I love. So leave me a comment down below how you're going with your Christmas shopping, guys. Are you up to date? Are you leaving it to the last minute? Have you done half of it? I can't believe how quickly Christmas is coming around this year. I say this every year, guys. I'm going to be prepared. I'm going to start in September, but here I am in December, and Chelle has done 90% of Christmas shopping. So leave a comment down below, guys, and let me know how you are going when it comes to this Christmas season. Now here is a few clips of my entryway from the beginning, guys. I have two sections, as you know, to my entryway, and I wanted to share this with you, how it flows between each section. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Now, this will be my last video, guys, for 2024. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to thank you so much to everyone that has tuned in over this year. And I wish you all a truly wonderful and blessed Christmas. And I cannot wait to share more videos with you in 2025. So please stay safe, take care, and enjoy your festive season. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in 2025.